Today we're gonna talk about what happens after you have submitted your green card application. So if you're in the US, you have submitted your application. There's so many people who ask questions that, well, what are the next steps? What's gonna happen? How long it's gonna take? Well, how long it's gonna take, the processing time is not certain nowadays. I mean, as of November 2023, there is no set processing time. Of course, they have website where you can track the processing time, pull up the service center your file is, and then you can track. It's gonna show you certain months, but honestly, it's not certain nowadays. And some cases I've seen it took 4 months, in some cases 9 months, 15 months. So it depends what category you are on. And let's say if you have filed adjustment of status based on marriage to your spouse, and for that matter, there is definitely going to be an interview. In some cases, they are waiving interview conditions. So they're not interviewing you, they send you green card at your house or mailing address. But in spouse case category, they're gonna do interview with you. So that was about the processing. There is no certain time about processing. It's uncertain. There's a massive backlog with USCIS. Now talk about steps. Like people ask, what's gonna happen? We have submitted application. What are the next steps? What are they gonna do? Pretty simple. There are 3 steps. And first step, once you submitted the application, they're gonna issue you a notice, I-797. That's called notice of action. That should have your case number assigned to you. Should be starting with WAC or IOE or MSC. So that depends on what category you're in. So, but with that number, you can track the status of your application. So that's a good thing that your file is in queue. So once you receive that, after some time, most likely in a couple of weeks, you should be getting a letter for biometrics appointments. So you're gonna go to your local application support center and do your biometrics done, means your fingerprints done. All right, that's for their background check. That was step 2, right? So now the step 3 should be, they're gonna issue you interview notice that they have scheduled your interview appointment at this particular place at this particular time. Go over there for the interview. Let's say you have adjustment of status pending, your spouse and spouse beneficiary and spouse petitioner, they're both gonna go for at the interview. So they're gonna ask you some basic question for a green card application, I-485 or form I-130. Question about the contents of the application, and they're gonna of course look up, try to determine and make a decision that your marriage was in good faith, not for just immigration benefits. So they're gonna determine that and make a decision. Most of the time they're gonna make decision right away and let you know. In some cases I've seen they let you know, they say, okay, we'll let you know after some time about the decision. They're gonna communicate to you sometime in future. So I have seen in cases in a week, and some cases I've seen it took 1 month. So it doesn't matter. They're gonna do some background thing, recheck paperwork or approval from the supervisor. So they're gonna do their admin work. So, and once they approve that, they're gonna send you green card approval and a green card document at your house or mailing address. So these were 3 steps. First, you're gonna receive notice of action that they have received your application. Number 2, biometric appointments. You're gonna do your fingerprints. And 3rd, they're gonna schedule you for the interview. You do your interview, you get the green card. I hope this information was helpful to you. Like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and for more videos, check out my website and social media platform. Thank you so much for watching.